So here's the question for today. What about tailbone issues and back issues and slip disc and all? Can this be healed with a whole plant-based diet? You know, it looks like whole plant-based diet is good for everything. Is this really true? And the truth is that we always have to look at what is the cause of this issue. Why do we have back issues or slip disc or tailbone problems? We have them because we're getting less oxygenation to those parts. You know, between our vertebrae, there is a little cushion, and this cushion needs good blood supply. But if we are blocking our blood supply by eating fatty foods, the fat goes into our bloodstream and thickens our blood and clogs up the arteries. Then we start getting all these back problems. So, what are these fatty foods? Oil, ghee, butter? Of course. But also, have you seen that if you boil milk, you get fat on top? You boil chicken, you get fat on top. You boil fish, you get fat on top. And even eggs are full of fat. All animal foods are full of fat. You know, so are peanuts, you may say, or coconut, or even sesame seeds or avocado. But think about it. If you boil peanuts, do you get fat on top? No. Why not? Because there's fiber in peanuts, and the fiber holds on to the fat. And if we eat peanuts in the whole form, the fiber holds on to the fat, doesn't let it go into the bloodstream, and our blood doesn't become thick and clog our arteries. So now, if we eat foods in the whole form, even if they have fat, avocados and peanuts and sesame, no problem. But oil, ghee, butter, problems. No animal products contain fiber. So meat, fish, chicken, eggs, problems. Milk, problems. No problems with whole plant-based diet. Now, that doesn't mean that every case can be cured. It depends on what the problem is. For example, if the problem is a past injury, it may not be curable. Or if the disc between the two vertebrae has got too destroyed, it may not be able to heal. Or if we have autoimmune diseases like rheumatoid arthritis and ankylosing spondylitis, and if they are too far gone, it may not be able to heal. So here's what I suggest. If you want to know whether you can heal or not, try a whole food plant-based diet, and also take a consultation with one of our doctors so that you make sure that you're doing it perfectly and you can get to your very healthiest best.